Today I'll show you how to set up a Looker connection in Coefficient, and this demo will guide you through every step, whether you're an admin or a user without admin access. So once you've launched Coefficient, select Import From, add a connection, search for Looker, select Connect, and then the first question you'll encounter is, are you a Looker admin? You can either say you're a Looker admin and that you have access to the client ID and client secret, or you can say you're not a Looker admin, but you can still connect. So let's begin with setup for Looker admin. First, you'll be asked for the base URL, which is the URL you use to access your Looker account, and then you'll need to input your client ID and your client secret. If you need help locating your client ID and client secret, you can select How to Find, which will open our Help Center with step-by-step instructions on how to locate your client ID and client secret in Looker. In the Looker interface, you'll just go to Admin, scroll down to Users, select the user, and then go to Edit Keys, and that's where you will find your client ID and secret to input into this screen. Once you've filled out all of the requirements, select Connect. Since you're the Looker admin, you have the option to enable OAuth for your entire domain, so they can log in to Looker using their own username and password without needing to enter a client ID and secret. So once you've successfully connected to Looker, you can go back to your connection, and from here, you can manage your connection, your OAuth settings, and you can reauthorize. If you'd like to add another connection, just select Add, search for Looker, and select Connect. If the base URL has already been configured, it will default to this connection type without asking for OAuth setup again. But let's make another connection as if you're not the Looker admin. So here we'll select Add a New Account, say I am not the Looker admin. You'll be asked if you have the Looker client ID and secret. Let's say you don't have them. You can still connect by sharing a link with your Looker admin to connect on your behalf. Here we give you a pre-written message that you can just copy and paste into your Slack or into an email and send to your admin for them to configure Looker for you. You'll also receive an email in your inbox that you can simply forward to your admin as well. When your admin clicks the link, they'll be directed to this page to configure Looker on your behalf, and then you'll be alerted by email once it's completed. That's everything you need to get connected to Looker with Coefficient. We hope this was helpful, but if you have any questions, please let us know, and thanks for watching.